Hello, Rising Star. Today we are in our Piano Adventures lesson book primer level, and we are looking at the half note. Now, our half note is a little white note with a stem, and it gets 2 counts or beats. So when you see the half note, just think 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or ta-ah, 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 ta-ah. But I like to use melon, 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 melon. We have a group of super beats, and they're going to help us with our timing and our rhythms. And so melon, Melody Melon, is one of our superheroes. Okay, so what you're going to do for this exercise, just like with our quarter notes, in each box you're going to draw a half note. On this line you want the stem to point up because the stem pointing up is for our right hand. And then write in, here they've got the example of 1-2, so that's your 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now down here, this is for our left hand. And so here you're going to draw in the half notes with the stem pointing down. And you're going to put in your 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that's all you have to do for that page to start learning about your half note and what a nice addition to our rhythms it's going to add. See you later.